Spiraling losses on Wall Street are now snowballing into forced asset liquidation, according to Bank of America. The NYSE Composite Index, which includes U.S. stocks, depository receipts, and real estate investment trusts, has broken multiple technical support levels, including its 200-week moving average, the 14,000 mark, as well as a 2018 and 2020 highs. Now accumulated losses could be forcing funds to sell more assets to raise cash, accelerating the sell-off, according to Bank of America. Now, if you come take a look over here, 13.48% of stocks closed above their 200-day moving average yesterday. Bottom in 2009 was 1.2%, bottom in 2020 was 2.8%. And currently we are at December 2007 levels. This is a good indication that this crash will be to the same par of '08, if not worse. The next thing is the Bank of England kickstarted QE this week due to pension funds potentially collapsing. People forget that Bank of England's bond portfolio losses are already $200 billion. The same entity that wanted to turn the money printer back on for their people, even the way inflation is right now. Now, I saw Citadel is shorting US government bonds, so of course I had to double check, and it turns out Citadel has shorted the Treasury bond market. This could lead to mother of all margin calls and thus the financial meltdown of the global financial systems. You see, Citadel is playing the same criminal game with US government bonds as it has with other meme stocks. This is possible because the Fed is offering free money in the repo and reverse repo market. Citadel has shorted the Treasury market and bond market beyond recognition using the repo market. Citadel owns a company called Palafox Trading and uses it exclusively to short sell and trade Treasury bonds. Palafox in turn manages the Citadel Global Fixed Income Master Fund Ltd. Total assets over $123 million, and 80% of that is owned offshore investors in the Cayman Islands. Their reverse repo agreements are fully rehypothecated and they cannot repay their own repo agreements until someone pays them first. The entire global economy is built on a fractional reserve system that will very soon experience the mother of all market collapses. So it seems to me as if Citadel cannot deliver anything across the board. I wonder where they are at as a fund. Well, if we take into consideration that Citadel is short government bonds and bonds continue to rise while the earnings season continues to do bad and fall, essentially the dark blue line and the light blue line will cross, giving zero incentive for people to buy stocks and actually buy government bonds, further putting Citadel underwater. Now, we've been talking about a lot of DD lately, so I kind of wanted to just break it down very, very simply for you guys. What I'm looking at is institutions under pressure. Banks giving back-to-back loans. Of course, you saw Citadel took out 8 loans right before Phase 6 actually got implemented, and I think this was to avoid the collateral requirements that Phase 6 will push out, and ultimately not just Citadel, but institutions in general borrowing a lot of loans through these master agreements, through banks. However, when there is a spiraling economy, inflation's like this, currencies are crashing, etc., central banks eventually get under pressure. Government bonds start to go up, funds short treasuries have issues, aka Citadel, and collateral on all sides start dissipating. Bailouts may not be able to occur. Deflation occurs using big money. What do I mean by this? I mean by this is that there is only so much money in the world, and essentially the economy needs us to sell out of our play, or at least big money to get bailed out from this play, aka give us our money for a great reset and ultimately give money back to the people. Everything is old money and it has to start flowing. All this money you see, all this money institutions use is recycled money, it's old money, and it has to start flowing. Overall, guys, this is what I got for you for today's video. Please make sure to hit that like and engage video and go share this to someone who hasn't seen this. Happy Saturday as well. Hopefully you are all enjoying the weekend. Make sure to get your 10 free stocks linked down below and pinned in the top of comments. Also download MEXC Global using my link pinned in the top of comments as well. Subscribe to the channel if you want to join us on the road to financial freedom. And also comment if you have any questions about this or thoughts on this. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.